this is teacher Gu Da-young. Today, for the first lecture with you, we will learn Korean numbers. There are two kinds of numbers in Korea. One is Sino number and the other Korean number. The reason why I talked about two different numbers is because what we are going to learn today is Sino numbers. Let's see how to express numbers in Korean, starting with the video of our foreign friends.
릴라라, 너네 학교 방학이 언제야?
6월 27일이야.
내일이네?
내일부터 자유야.
와, 부럽다. 나는 다음 주부터야.
Did you guys enjoy the video? In the video, for Anna's question, when is the vacation? Dilara replied that it is 6월 27일, which is June 27th. Dates should be read as numbers in Sino numbers. So I'll tell you the Sino numbers first. Now, repeat after me. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. I told you that Sino numbers are used to represent dates. Sino are used to represent year, month, and date. For example, January is expressed like this. The number 1, 1, and the month representing 월 are combined to make a month. Shall we talk about the date this time? The date is simple. You can say 5일 by combining the number 5, 5, and the 1 that represent date. By the way, we learned how to say months by combining numbers and months. But did Dilara say 6월 by combining the number 6, 6, and 월, representing month? No, she said 6월. The reason why Dilara pronounced 6월 is because the number 6 is very special. When the 6 meets the 월, final consonant, 받침, disappears. That's why it's pronounced as 6월. A similar phenomenon occurs in October. Even when 10 and 월 meets, the 받침 disappears. So it is pronounced as 10월 rather than 10월. Don't forget June and October. And we still haven't learned how to say the 27th. So I'm going to tell you how we say the numbers above 10. When you say a number greater than 10, say it like this. For example, 11 is the sum of 10 and 1, right? So we say 11. And in Dilara's line, 27th is said to be 27. In 20, 20, and 7, 7. Now, let's practice a little more on how to say numbers with example sentences. 6월 27일이야. 6월 27일이야. 6월 27일이야. 1월 1일이야. 1월 1일이야. 1월 1일이야. 10월 9일이야. 10월 9일이야. 10월 9일이야. We learned numbers from 1 to 10 with me today. Today, let's finish class by reading the number 1 to 10 with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, can you tell me what's the date today?